you from across the room.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm 22 and I'm moving to my third home in literally a few months. My parents live upstairs. I'm moving out in the same building only on a lower floor. This is where we live and we are today setting it up. For all the new family members, we actually moved out in 2020 in like third or fourth quarter. Person from whom I had rented the flat, he himself wants to come into this building, so I'm having to vacate the flat. I still have all these paints that I had used in our first flat that we moved out by ourselves. Good thing is, if you keep the paints stored properly, they are still in a good condition and you can still use it. Save 1 to 2,000 rupees. These are all the new paints I purchased for this house. They cost me around 2,500. Not like the first time around. We have a crew this time. A very professional, the best in the world. Divya Ved, she's been helping in everything, washing the brushes, painting, taping, measuring. I would say she's more important of a crew member than me. Then we have Dad and I who keep arguing on things. Dad's using a civil engineering degree. He'll meet you in a bit when we're doing the middle room. I'm using my creative skills, Pinterest. I do majority of the painting work and designing work. Right now, Dad is drawing semicircle on this wall and on that wall so that at the corner it looks like there's a big circle. I'll insert a picture of the inspiration.
I have marked to make a semicircle and this is how I will draw. Remove all the unwanted lines.
I think I've waited all these years for you right here.
I think the height
First, just 30, 30 and 30.
You go, 'cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know.
What is this masterpiece?
This is an ode to the very first home in which we started YouTubing. Black and white stripe wall. उसके जैसा कुछ करना था but black and white नहीं करना था. So this was the color we chose. We've all done this together. मम्मी पापा ने speed 10 times से बढ़ा दी है. Meet my dad, Keyur Ved.
How are you feeling?
The feeling is like coming on the drawing board again. I am a civil engineer, used to draw on board. Now I am doing on walls. I enjoy it. Thanks.
What is this color?
Normal language में purplish grey. If I want to make it 5-star like, then it's a dove purple with a hint of grey undertone to it.
Did you face any challenges?
Yeah, I bought less paint. Initial plan was something else, so all the paints that I purchased were as per those designs. Paint की quantity की वजह से इतना रगड़ा है ना brush कि मम्मा ने ये बोला कि biceps ऐसे ही बन जाना है आज. If my gym trainer is watching this, that's why I'm not coming to the gym today.
What happened here?
ये मम्मा से हुआ, मेरे से नीचे इधर हुआ है. पेंट थोड़ा बाहर चले गया टेप के. Previously I used to wet a cloth and wipe it. That does work to some extent. Sometimes it has made things worse for me. So this leakage is not that much, which is why I'm not rubbing it off.
What are you trying to do here?
We're trying to do a dome shape thing जहाँ पे computer desk आना चाहिए. Now I'm kind of thinking कि मैंने थोड़ा छोटा breath ले लिया है. Should have done a bigger one, but it's fine. कि ज़्यादा भी clutter नहीं करना है. For the corner, I want to do something different. We'll do a triangle.
Keep it simple. Once you have done triangle over there, circle over there, do something different. Simple band of same color.
Same color? No. I want green and orange.
Okay, green and orange.
Are you enjoying?
I am enjoying a lot. As usual, I've had a regular argument with Dad, and I'm glad आपको थोड़ा सा glimpse देखने मिला क्योंकि हम ऐसे almost every day कुछ ना कुछ बात पे तो argue करते ही होता है.
What are you planning to do on this wall?
On this wall, a lot of storage is going to come. Chests of drawers which are probably this tall or this tall. So that's why we just done a triangle here.
What color have you chosen?
This is going to be the cool tone room. Each room I'm going tone wise. So blue का ही कोई variation होगा इधर. Last room, that is going to be a warm tone room. There'll be pinks, oranges and yellows. The one behind this is going to be a jewel tone room. Emeralds and rusts and those kind of colors. Normally I've always used a cloth roller. This can cost you around 60 to 100 rupees. This time I bought 2 new rollers, mini ones. A brand new roller looks like this. This one I bought from Mr. DIY for 170. Kids under 18, do not do this without adults. Slightly risky. This is the paint we still have from last time. And here we go. I scoop out all the excess paint. One dibbi, which is 200 ml, costs 130 to 160, depends on which franchisee you go. After the first time that you wash a paint brush, इसमें water retention बहुत हो जाता है. I would personally recommend if you're back to back going to paint, don't add more water to this paint. Paint will keep getting thinner and thinner, and once the paint is thinner, then you can't make it thicker unless you buy the whole paint again. Circles are very difficult to do. I've never been able to do a perfect circle in my life. See, this is what I was saying कि once a brush is used, it keeps leaking water and फिर paint और पतला पतला होता जाता है.
अब यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं राइट.
हाँ.
क्या लग रहा है दोनों का ये कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है, तो क्या पसंद आया?
पूरा सामान पूरा डेकोरेशन होएगा तब पता चलेगा.
तो जैसे कि आपको पता है ये हमारी लता ताई है, हमारे घर के फैमिली मेंबर है. मैं के बिना बोलते हैं ना कि हमें कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
My shoulders as long as
यही पेंट हम लोग ऑलरेडी 3 बार यूज कर चुके हैं, और जैसे ही आपका पेंट बचता है तो वही डिब्बे में जिसमें आप लेते हो भरोगे तो वापस आप उसको रीयूज आराम से कर सकते हो.
is all
इसके बाद इसको अच्छे से बंद करना है. अगर ये अच्छे से बंद नहीं हुआ तो वो कलर सूख जाएगा. इसको अच्छे से इसे हाथ से दबा के आपको पूरा कलर निकालना है. फिर उसका अच्छे से पानी निकाल दो. ऐसे ही ट्रे. अब ये ट्रे में आप कोई भी कलर डालोगे, ये पुराना जो कलर है वो मिक्स नहीं होगा.
On days like these, when you know you're going to be working hands-on, you should eat every few hours. If you get hungry, आपका productivity will be slashed by half. I would recommend eating something like a sandwich or a wrap, which you can easily just grab, eat, and get going again. Received my first parcel here. I'm actually really impressed with Amazon का ये pantry section because I placed an order कल रात को और अभी आ भी गया वो. Let me do a one product haul for you. Good that it came अभी because in which ways रात को मैं आपको ये दिखाने ही वाली थी. Ever since the team and I were discussing about what product do we want to work around, body wash was my number one pick because my parents are obsessed with body washes and I like those body washes which make my job easy. So since we finalized the product, हम तीनों टूट पड़े ये particular range पे, and we finished already one full bottle, one half bottle, and this is our third bottle. So I tried 2 different variants. The first one was the Wow Skin Science Tea Tree and Mint Foaming Body Wash, and the second one I tried was the Wow Skin Science Green Apple Foaming Body Wash, and the Green Apple one stands to be my favorite. So the first two ones are actually ordered from Wow का website directly, and उसमें best advantage is this QR code on the side. So QR code scan करके you can check the authenticity of the product, and there's also a whole reward system. So with every scan you get like points. मेरे को ये पर्टिकुलर रेंज क्यों इतना पसंद है पता है? बिकॉज इट लैदर्स रियली रिच. इट्स अ प्रीमियम फोमिंग बॉडी वॉश. ग्रीन एप्पल वाला है ना, व्हाई आई रियली लाइक इट इज बिकॉज द फ्रेग्रेंस नोट्स ऑफ दिस आर लाइक रियली क्रिस्प. इट हैज अ वेरी डिलाइटफुल फ्रूटी फ्रेग्रेंस बट नॉट वो सर में चढ़ने वाला स्वीट. इट हैज लाइक माइल्ड स्पाइसी नोट्स. एंड इसके अंदर का बात करें तो जस्ट ग्रीन एप्पल सीड एक्सट्रैक्ट, विटामिन ई एंड शिया बटर. मतलब नहाने के बाद ना समझ में आता है कि बॉडी पूरा अच्छे से क्लेंस और हाइड्रेट हुआ है. So a lot of times it's like glowing. It's free from like any harsh chemicals, parabens, silicone, sulfate, mineral oils, and you should definitely give it a go.
Why didn't you take help of any professionals?
Yeah, very understandable for you to have this question. Every month if we're spending 50,000+ just to stay here, why can't we spend 20 or even 30,000 to hire someone? Problem is कि when I was looking for someone for our very first home in this building last year, तभी से I've been searching for painters who can give the design that I want. But unfortunately in my budget I haven't found anyone.
How are you feeling, auntie?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये आई थिंक हमारी 10th वॉल ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं पेंट यहाँ पे, और कितनी शायद 6 या 7 वॉल कर रहे हैं. खुद का हाथ से करने का सेटिस्फेक्शन कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है. उसको जितनी बार देखते तो बहुत खुशी होती है कि नहीं ये हमने किया है.
What time did you start today?
Today was a very late start. We started by like 9:30, 10. Ideally, I wanted to start by 7:30, 8 a.m. Starting will takes time to get on the same page for mom and dad to exactly understand what design I have in my mind.
Is this the first time painting with your mom and dad?
Not really, but yes as well, because when we moved into the first place, तभी I had painted my room the first, वो pink and blue triangle. वो देख के they like अरे ये तो बड़ा easy है, हम हमारा room खुद करेंगे. So we started their room and within half an hour they gave up on me. They left and I finished their room. That time they weren't this involved at all, but this time they're doing much more work than I'm able to do.
racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
What are you going to do now?
फाइनली हम ये टेप निकाल रहे हैं बिकॉज द पेंट इज ड्राई. आई नो कि द फिनिशिंग इज बैड बिकॉज फर्स्ट कोट में हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है. बट आई हैव पर्सनली चोजन नॉट टू डू अ सेकंड कोट. वी डोंट हैव द टाइम एंड आई डोंट हैव द एनर्जी ऑल्सो. धीरे धीरे. I love this color. In my life, I've done nothing more satisfying than this. This is the before and this is the after. All the mistakes and the leakages and the excess mess ups that you've done gone in a second.
So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody to love.
अगर आप मॉम डैड का स्टार्टिंग टाइम और मेरे स्टार्टिंग टाइम का एवरेज भी पकड़ ले, इट्स ओनली आई थिंक द 16 और 18 आवर मार्क मैक्स टू मैक्स एंड वी आर ऑलमोस्ट डन विद द हाउस. 3 वॉल्स बाकी है, उसका भी टेपिंग हो चुका है. सो इन 24 आवर्स वी हैव ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड अ 3 BHK completely and that's because all 3 of us were there. So let me show you the progress so far and what is left. The main door from where we entered. On this wall, this was the only thing I wanted to paint. Over here we have to do a dark blue color. यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे, इन दोनों में से कोई एक वॉल पे ब्रिक्स आने वाला है. बट दैट्स इट. ओनली 2 walls left in the hall. This wall and that wall. ये रूम भी पूरा हो चुका है. इसकी टेपें निकालनी है बट वो हम कल ही निकालेंगे. And this semicircle looks so grand. Then we go to the second room जो डैड को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. This one because it's ultra colorful. Like just entering it you can see how many colors are already there. और ये रूम में the biggest wall which will be the main wall. This is what it looks like. फिर यहाँ पे this is the only wall left in the room section. but इसका भी सारा काम like this was the thing which was going to take the longest. And this is done. And this is also done. Now we're signing off and tomorrow morning before the 24-hour clock strikes we will be done.
The next day.
How's it going?
It's going great. That's what my angel side is saying, but my devil side is like bas because my fingers are hurting. The bottom of my feet will be बहुत दर्द कर रहा है.
What time did you finish last night?
We wrapped up I would say by 2:30. None of us were asleep by 4. मैं तो किचन में जाके मैगी बनाई तब मुझे पापा के फोन का भी आवाज आ रहा था कि he was watching Indian Idol.
You have to decide.
Fun fact, my right hand to be in so much pain has made me ambidextrous. I can paint very well with my left hand also.
Who made this circle?
Papa and his brain, and he is so specific with measurement. He literally measures the midpoint of the wall, center point ढूंढेंगे, फिर radius measure करेंगे, and then he'll draw a big circle. It's so freaking perfect. Takes like half an hour to 1 hour sometimes to just draw these kind of things.
What's the big idea behind this?
पूरा घर मेरा Pinterest से है basically. I can't take credit for anything except the stripy wall. This is a photo which has shelves of the same color as the circle partitions. I don't know yet what we'll keep on the shelves. So the first home I ever painted, मैंने प्राइमर लगाया. I waited for good 5 hours. एक कोट लगाया, 6-8 घंटे का ब्रेक दिया, दूसरा कोट लगाया. एक दीवार को मैंने 2 दिन दिए थे. सेकेंड होम भी मूव टू, उसमें मैंने प्राइमर स्किप करा था पर 2 कोट पेंट किए, बहुत अच्छे से की थी, गुड फिनिशिंग. एंड द थर्ड होम वे पेंटिंग, इतनी बेकार फिनिशिंग करी है मैंने. देयर इज नो क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप आई वुड से. दिस इज व्हाट आई कैन डू ऑल डे एवरी डे. बस तुम मुझे टेप निकालने बोलो. I am too excited for this design because first time किया है ऐसा कुछ. Don't know how it will work.
How different is this color from other colors?
It's a matte color. I've never gone for deep shades before because I'd be scared कि what if the room will look smaller, what if it will look heavier, what if I don't like it later. But this time I went with it. 4 महीने में तो वो change करना ही पड़ा ना. So if we get bored with it, we can change it again. But I'm very, very, very happy with it.
Cost-wise, how is it different?
Matte finish was much cheaper. This is the royal finish, little glossy, little shiny. This used to cost me 30 to 160 rupees for 200 ml. Whereas this cost us only 260 rupees for a liter. इस पे fingerprints के marks दिखते हैं. If the hands are oily, it'll show up. This, however, is very easy to clean.
What's the solution for the drip mark?
डार्क कलर पे आप व्हाइट कलर चढ़ाओगे ना तो भी इट इज गोइंग टू बी विजिबल. Ideally you should take a कांच पेपर or sand paper, rub it so that this is gone. Then you'll have to put putty again and make the wall even. I knew that cupboards are coming here. I was very careless and I let it drip. While taking off the tape, this is a very common thing that happens, that the color tears off. See, I'm just taking the lid off the container, dipping it in the brush. It will dry off in, I would say, 15 minutes to 30 minutes. But just let it be, let it settle. The longer you let it dry, the better. Personally, it's my first time dealing with a dark color alone. We did the green inside, but मैं बोल रही हूँ कि overall this is the first house जिसमें हम खुद से dark color कर रहे हैं. My personal recommendation would be any colors fine but light shade में लेना. Dark में आप first coat roller से करो कि paint brush से करो. Patchy तो रहता ही है. And even second coat, I'm not able to get it right. I might need your input key. What am I doing wrong? So these kind of colors computerized way में बनते हैं. They have a lot of different shades in them. Do the piri piri fries thing to it. Now I want to eat piri piri fries. Let us check. There's so much green still left in it, and that is why it is very important not to use the color directly. Pour it in the tray. So many undertones. Scoop it all out and mix it well. Go in circular directions. Go from start to the end of the tray. Now we're starting to do the brick wall, which is the only artistic wall जिसमें paint brush as such involved नहीं है. एक अलग prop involved है, which is a big sponge which they've dipped into paint and then stamped on the wall.
So अभी हम लोग ब्रिक का मेजरमेंट लेके टेप लगा रहे हैं. ब्रिक्स हमारे एक ही लाइन में लगेंगे, ऊपर नीचे नहीं रहेंगे. अच्छा, अभी गैप कितना छोड़ना है हर एक में?
टेप जितना ही छोड़ना है. ये सही लग रहा है. बहुत लाइट हो गया.
प्रेशर ज़्यादा देके तो आता है.
यार अच्छा लग रहा है. ये पेंट ट्रे है. इसमें हम पहले कोरुगेटेड साइड पे पेंट ब्रश से पेंट लगा रहे हैं. देन वी डैबिंग द स्पंज. We're done with painting. We're done with painting in 24 hours, baby. And this looks so sick.
Which is your favorite wall?
In another room, I'll just show you. This is my favorite. Plain, simple. I like such kind of colors. A uniqueness is there. I don't like too many colors on the same wall.
Which is the worst wall?
Worst, though this is a studio and I understand with the colors what we do, but too many colors I don't like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 colors are there in this room. But that's Haley's choice.
How does the owner of yoga.com feel about painting the house?
ये आई थिंक हमने अभी तक शायद टोटल 24 to 25 वॉल्स पेंट की है. जितनी बार कर रहे हैं हम लोग उतना इजी हो रहा है. नई नई टेक्निक्स मिल रही है जिससे स्पीड बढ़ रही है और विथ फिनिशिंग टाइम भी कम लग रहा है. तो बस वही सोच रहे हैं कि ये बिजनेस एक स्टार्ट कर ले हम लोग. काफ़ी सारा पेंटिंग का कस्टमाइज पेंटिंग लाइक कर सकते हैं आराम से इजीली, अपनी चॉइस का कलर डिजाइन एंड एवरीथिंग.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I feel very sleep deprived and dehydrated. That's because we had to do this extreme way of finishing it. But I feel so good. खत्म हो गया यार.
Which was your favorite wall?
My favorite wall is a tie between two. The brick wall, the biscuit colored wall which has the white archway.
And the least favorite wall?
Dark colored walls, the one with the green semicircle, the one which is a plain blue. And I've become so lazy for this particular project. I'm not even doing more coats to it.
When are you planning to tell the landlord?
This was kind of like a requirement for us कि we will be making some changes to the flat. However, we agree to indemnify it for you if we don't buy the flat. Before leaving, we'll make it all white and give it to you just the way in which we took it. So he agreed to it. Do remember to check out Vask & Science का website. If you're also looking for a good body wash, you can check out the link in the description box down below. I finally just finished eating. I thought कि मैं मस्त और shower लूँगी. I'll wear a fresh pair of clothes. But मेरे में बिल्कुल energy नहीं है. I need to sleep. तो मैं nap लूँगी. Then I want to chill with friends यार. I feel like I have no social life left anymore. ये घर का शिफ्टिंग और काम भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. But yeah. But if you enjoyed watching this, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. But if you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I hope you found this video helpful. कि अगर आपको कभी आपका घर खुद पेंट करना हो तो आप कोई एक डिजाइन कर पाओ इसमें से. But you will see the final look of the home in the future episode of the Family Home series. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good night.